Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Comrade stickers. First, let's talk design. Your message should be clear and impactful, resonating with your audience. Pick a color palette that truly pops and reflects your theme. Remember, simple, bold fonts are best for readability, even from afar. Think about what you want your sticker to communicate at a glance. Now let's select the right materials. Durable, waterproof vinyl sticker paper is essential for longevity, especially if your stickers will be outdoors. Make sure your printer uses fade-resistant ink to keep those colors vibrant over time. For crisp, professional-looking images, always print your designs at a high resolution, ideally at least 300 dpi. Next, we move to cutting and finishing. For precise, clean edges, a sharp craft knife or a dedicated cutting machine is your best friend. To give your stickers extra protection against wear and tear, consider laminating them. Finally, applying a clear sealant spray will significantly enhance their UV resistance and overall durability, keeping them looking great longer. Finally, let's talk about applying and sharing your awesome stickers. Always clean the surface thoroughly before application to ensure the best possible adhesion. When applying, carefully smooth out any air bubbles, working from the center outwards for a flawless finish. You've put in the effort, now share your message. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.